Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your music player. If your music player is not working, sound is not playing, or any other issue in connecting to Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, any other problem, how you can fix that. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open this. You can see this is a player. Just go to the I button, and here you have to clear all the data and updates like this, and then you have to simply open the music app, clear the cache, clear the data, and it will be your fine, and agree this. You can see it is working good, and if it is not, then you have to restart your smartphone. It will be fully working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.